All right, let us take a look at this expression. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. Oh wow, that feels simple, right? And 3 times 3 is just 9. Looks clean so far. So 5 divided by 9, which is 5 over 9. But wait, hold on, something feels off. This answer is actually not correct. Because according to the order of operations, you know the classic. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Yes, PEMDAS strikes again. And remember, multiplication and division are on the same level, so we always move from left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction, equal priority, left to right. Simple rule, but very easy to break without noticing. Now, in this expression we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 parenthesis. Inside that parenthesis, we have just 1 subtraction. And that multiplication you see, it is not written, but it is definitely there, because in math, whenever a number is placed right next to a parenthesis, it means multiplication. We usually leave out the multiplication sign to make expressions cleaner, but sometimes that makes them trickier. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first we must do the parenthesis, then the division, and finally the multiplication. If we jump and do the multiplication before the division, boom, instant mistake. So let us start correctly. Inside the parenthesis, we have 5 minus 2, which equals 3. So the full expression now becomes 5 divided by 3, then multiply by 3. Now, this is where people slip. We have 1 division and 1 multiplication, and because they have equal priority, we must go left to right. So first we handle the division. 5 divided by 3 can be written as 5 over 3. Then we still have times 3. So we now have 5 over 3 multiplied by 3. And here comes the satisfying part. Oh yes, the cancellation moment. This 3 and this 3 can be canceled. So what are we left with? Just 5. And that means the final answer, the correct answer, is 5. Pretty neat once you follow the rules, right?